Hello, today we'll see the circuit diagram and connection of a air cooler. So let's start with the fan motor. So generally we know that the fan motor, normally it looks something like this. So as we know that a fan motor which has four main wires, so four main wires consisting of red, blue, yellow and black. So it is based on the manufacturers, so not only these four colors, there may be any four colors, but their interwiring may be different, such as running, starting or 1 2 3 stepwise. So this is done, and we'll see it in the main circuit diagram. So this is what a fan motor. Okay, let's set it right. So as I said, it consists of any three colors, and the one more, the other wire will be common wire generally goes to the neutral. So let's see. So here is the potentiometer of fan speed, right? Is the potentiometer of fan speed. So this is nothing but it controls the speed of the fan based on whatever we adjust. So as we can see that the black, which is connected to the number 1, so it stays like this. We know in our coolers it stay high, low, medium kind of. Okay, so in this way, and one black is connected to the 1, and white is to the 2, and red is 3. It is based on the starting, running and the speed wires, so it is 1 2 3. Okay, and the blue, which is common to the neutral bus, as you can see. And next we saw that we have two other accessories in the cooler. So the main part is the water pump. So without it the cooler is incomplete, because cooler works mainly on the principle of cool air. It's not like just the fan runs, but also due to the surroundings wool pads, it throws the cool air, right? So water pump takes the water which we fill inside the cooler, and it just spread out over the cooler wool pads through pipes. So this is a very simple connection. The pump live wire, there is a live wire, means two wires stays. Neutral is common, and one goes to 2. The live wire goes to the 2 of potentiometer 2 just to adjust. That is like a common, which is both for synchronous motor as well as water pump, right? We see that water pump. Okay, similarly synchronous motor. What is synchronous motor we know. Now I will just show the image. So this is a synchronous motor. Okay, so it is generally also known as swing motor, which runs only at the speed of 5 to 6 round per minute, which is nothing but 5 to 6 rpm. So in the 5 to 6 rpm, it just when we enable the swing option, the air spreads whether horizontally or vertically. We can see it in the air conditioners also, and in this case also the phase wire remains same, right? Phase wire remains. It is looped from one potentiometer to other. Okay, because it is only the main supply throughout the circuit, right? So here also we can see that 2 and 3 are fulfilled with water pump and synchronous motor, and also we can connect them together so that at a stage the both work together. If we want, we can take water pump only at one and off the synchronous motor, and if we do 3, both of them work. The phase is common. Here the neutral is given, and then neutral is neutral bus, so that means that all the neutrals together combine, right? It is completed. And now the main earth. Why do we use earth wire? We know that earth wire is used to equalize potential difference to 0 volt. That means to prevent electric shock. Sometimes what happen, if we don't have earthing in our houses, if we touch the sides of cooler which will be leaked by water, we may get electric shock. That is due to the absence of earthing, right? So since some coolers have metal body, so here we see that the wire is directly connected to cooler body, or sometimes it is directly connected to the fan motor's body, right? Here just I'm showing, but mostly the wire is connected to the fan's motor's body only to prevent electric shock. Okay, this earthing is mainly used because it's appliance of water conditioning, means the water is used so that any leak should not happen because of that. So we see that it is a single phase cooler, and phase neutral, or three wires are 3-pin power cable, which means input, right? In this way we got to know the wiring of the cooler. So this is a general cooler wiring with common items or products. We have additional more high, it's like technological coolers also, but the most using in villages or in cities also is this type of only. So if you have any doubt, you may comment, we can go through. In the other video we will talk about high technology cooler also. So yeah, just I'll show the parts for you all. So let's see first, power cable. We all know it will be a general 3-core cable or 2-core cable. First we'll see the potentiometers, right? Okay, so this is the potentiometer, right? So as I showed you in the circuit diagram, so the LL, that is, the L means the live wire, which is common, and this will go to the cooler's one point, this other one will go to the other one, that is 1 2 3. Okay, 3, and these are used for the pump, right? Pump or the synchronous motor. Okay, based on our choice we can use it. So in this way, okay, this is only of 1 and 2, but we may use 3 potentiometers based on the features in the cooler. Okay, so this is about the potentiometers, or some may knobs, and this is the water pump. It is very common, we find it everywhere. It is not only found in AC farms, but we also get in DC farms, but that is based on the uses. So this is a alternating current pump which works only at AC current, right? So it takes current less than 20 watts, not more than that, based on the water pressure. Okay, and this motor I have already shown. No motor specification changes because they only contain a capacitor that might be usually in the fan capacitors motor, or you may find this type of capacitors in the AC outdoor unit also. So it is 4 MFD, is 4 microfarad capacitor, or less than that or more than, but usually we use more than that, 4 MFD only. So we have seen this also. Okay, right, this is the capacitor, it's 2.5 MFD, but we use 4 MFD only because fan motor takes more current to start rather than a ceiling fan. So 4 MFD. Okay, 4 MFD. Anytime you may replace it based on if your fan is low in the third speed also. Okay, right, this is the synchronous motor which I have already shown you. It stays just 5 to 6 RPM only, 5 to 6 RPM. Okay, and it costs very less. You may use it in other projects also, you will find it is in AC also. Okay, so all the parts I have shown. Finally our cooler runs like this. So for anything in the circuit you may add a switch or a toggle switch based on your usage. So finally what my motto was, that dye cooler project is success. If any other queries are also there, you may comment for other connections such as refrigerator, ACs. I will work on them soon. So today this much only. Let's come in the new topic in the other video. Already we know that video is going on of smart AI assistant. Okay, thank you.